Hello, my name is Boxy and this is my friend Ara.
Hi.
We are going to make monsters and a haunted house. First, we're gonna start with monsters.
These are arms and hands.
Yeah, arm and hands, and you have a different shape
And color.
for each part, and you're gonna pick the one you like and you're gonna glue it. So I'm gonna start first, okay, Ara? I'm gonna make my monster first, and you're gonna watch me, and then I'm gonna help you to make your monster. So I'm done with my monster. I hope you like it. So now, Ara, it's your turn, okay? Put this new part or
No,
do you
no,
like
no.
this?
Yeah, I like this.
That's with your monster. So you
Yeah.
finish? You
Yeah.
finish? Okay. This is my monster. This is ours monster.
It's my monster.
Yeah. So which one do you like, kids? I like both. They both are pretty. Actually, they are not pretty. They're monsters. They are scary. Yeah. Ooh. Oops.
Ah!
Okay. Look, which one do you think is more scary than the other? What about you, Ara? Which one do you like more?
I like this.
Okay, you like the one you did. Okay. And next we're gonna make a haunted house.
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh, ghost.
Okay. Now we are going to make a haunted house. So we have papers with different colors, and we have a piece of cardboard. And cut it like
It's a
this.
cardboard box.
Mhm.
I'm gonna put another piece of cardboard under it because I don't want to scratch the table. So, look at glue everywhere except the windows and the door. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows and door, and we're gonna put 5 monsters in there. Here, I'm gonna draw a ghost. I'm gonna put him here.
Put him here.
Yeah, it's the zombie. You wanna make a witch? With our haunted house. Do you like it, Aura?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open the door. Knock, knock. Who's there? What is this, Aura?
It's a vampire.
It's a vampire at the door. Ooh, scary. Knock, knock. Let's open this window. Who's there? Who's there?
It's a witch.
It's a witch. Ooh.
Let's go to this door.
Can you knock, knock here?
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock. Let's see who's there. Who's there?
The ghost is.
The ghost. Ooh. Okay. Okay, come here, Ara. I'm not here.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock. Let's open it. Let's see who's there. It's a pumpkin.
It's a pumpkin,
It's a
yeah.
happy pumpkin. Hi, pumpkin. Okay,
Let's
goodbye,
close the.
pumpkin. Can you knock here?
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock. This who's there? Who's there?
The
Zombie. Ooh. Hi, zombie. Okay. Good night, zombie.
Oh, yeah. Hey, let's go.